What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emma and I am back with a next video. So before I get into this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because I realize I have to send only link one away pan. Subscribe,
period.
Subscribe, share, like everything. Yeah, so today I'm come back with that story time. Was it me? First time I get drunk, or the first time I eat brownies, or something. I don't know where you're going to make, but yeah. Yeah, so please like, comment, share, subscribe. Once again, turn on that post notification bell. Like, me have to tell you so much time. Yeah, so stay tuned.
I'm free, I'm human, but I'm comfortable with me.
Alright, so guys, one day, right? We are gonna blue some blue mountain something. I don't know what the place name is, me, but we did go there, right? So we pass one brownies man. I'm gonna insert one picture of him. Can't forget the Monday. We pass one brownies man, right? So anyways, now long story short, we buy the brownies from the man. Yeah, edibles, so on the brownies is a gummy bear or something like, you see me? We buy that from the man. So we did it and get one little piece. The first piece, so we get KK make it drop, you see me? So the first we give we, she give we our next piece. We share up with, we get one little piece. Anyways, now we did it. We they eat this something now we are saying, and this they say, you know, cause they know so them so when they eat that something they go junk or something. So we did that we and we are saying, after this and I do we nothing. Me, KK and Chin, you know. That's after this and I do we nothing. Anyways, now we did it. We change now bad suit and we go up, we get what we get piece more edibles, piece more gonna be or something. And we they eat it. And it will we get one for yourself this time. I see you get one for yourself. So I said, alright then, you know do nothing. KK and Chin bite up for them same time. Me did it something and I go on. You know, somebody support all of them out of it. Anyways, we did it and we did it. I would eat this something, I would walk go up. So I realized that I start drop. No, like I realized that I start laugh. It's in me laugh and I not stop. Then I start drop. I say, no man, I turn to Chin and I say, I never who I turn to Chin and KK and I say, no man Chin. You see that there's something I eat, like it start kicking, you see me? So Chin say, no, Chin start laugh. Anyways, now, one man in front of we drop, you see me? Who tell the man if you could drop, brother? I start laugh, hey, I start laugh like me I eat that. I want to eat a chuku because we walk go far, you know, brother? With the chuku, I still a laugh and the man drop long time. The man drop long time and I still a laugh. You see me? So reach over the part now, we supposed to go dive off. Because that's some diving something we always do. And reach over there so. So I realized me the ball. Them must say me the ball. And when I see back the video, I realize something like that for true. So, like the more them talk, no, like the more them laugh, the more me ball, you see me? So them did they laugh and laugh and me I said, brother, I'm not happy laughing never that because the more you laugh, the more me ball. Anyways, them they laugh and laugh. And me did they know, and me did the ball. So one time man come and say they go jump off with me in the water something like they dive in something. So then go jump off with me. So them I said, no, you mad if you go catch other attacker, something. Because guys, bear in mind, me them mad out, me don't know what they go on. But me say me them mad out, me mean me them mad out. I go insert the videos them, so you can see what did I take place. You see me? Guys, I say me them mad out. So me I say, no man, nothing happen to Tina and KK, and them eat. So why am me? Everything have it happen to? Why? Nothing happened to Tina and KK. Me them mad out me as I want to talk to my boyfriend, everything. Guys, me and tell them. I swear. I don't know. We're going to insert the videos them. So I'm going to go see everything. We're going to insert the videos them right now.
So M is feeling a little sick time.
Shut up for your face if you're wrong to my brain. Shut up for your car.
then shut open your door like him. Don't try this if you don't like bleed. Shut in your throat like him. Roll with the king with the nose pointing. This way you don't find him.
I'm brownie and go girl. Go girl press out. Go fucker. Go there. Oh God, all the ball. Jesus Christ. Go Emily. Go Emily go follow go near brownie wheat cake. And go Emily the ball.
Our channel is done for. I'm dying. Like guys, look at Shiny, where there?
This is one of them wine knock out. See there? That one that she acted, they knock her out. She pretend. Then two there, boy. Then they on the skin feel. You grin. Take care of the head. Alright.
So yeah guys, that was the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. And guys, thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'm very grateful. You don't know how I'm grateful, because you know some people want to reach 500, 400, 100 subscribers and can't reach it. I'm very grateful. You know, please continue to like, comment, share, subscribe and everything. Share my video. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, peace out.
None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me, bitch. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all bitches can beat me. None of y'all girls can beat me. AKA none of y'all bitches can beat me. That shit don't bounce like mine.